Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering file handling in Python, and then I will explain file modes, file built-in functions and file built-in methods. And at last I will explain how to create a file, how to add text into my file, how to read a file and how to delete a file. Guys, I have uploaded complete Python programming subject tutorials. I will provide link in description, you can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. At first I will explain file handling in Python. Python provides inbuilt functions for creating, writing and reading files. Python contains various types of built-in functions. By using those functions, we can create files, we can write data into that files and we can read those files. By using Python programming, we can handle two types of files. They are text files and binary files. Binary files are written in binary language, that is in the form of zeros and ones. Next, I will explain Python file modes. If you want to create new file, then you need to use X mode. By using X mode, we can create new file. If file is already present in my system, then it will display error. Next, I will explain what is use of W mode. W stands for write. If you want to add any text into your file, then you need to use write mode. Next one is A, that is append mode. Already some data is present in my file and I want to add some more data at last. So in order to add some more data at last, you need to use append mode. Next, I will explain R mode, where R stands for read. Whatever the text that is present inside my file, if you want to see the text in Python terminal, you need to use read mode. By using X mode, we can create file. By using write mode, we can add text into our file. Already some data is present in my file. If you want to add some more data at last, then you need to use append mode. Whatever the data that is present in my text file, if you want to see those data in Python terminal, you need to use read mode. By using read mode, we can read file. By using write mode and append mode, we can only add text into our file, but we cannot read that file. And similarly, by using read mode, we can only read that file, but we cannot add any text into that file. By using read place mode, write place mode and append place mode, we can perform both read and write operation. That is, we can read files and as well as we can add text into that file. All these modes are applicable only for text files. And for binary files, we use following modes, where XB stands for create binary. This mode is used to create binary file. And WB stands for write binary. If you want to add binary data into your file, you need to use write binary mode. AB stands for append binary. AB mode is used to append binary data into your file. And RB stands for read binary. We use this mode in order to read binary data. Read binary place, write binary place and append binary place. We use these modes in order to read binary data and as well as to write binary data. Next, I will explain file built-in functions and file built-in methods. There is only one file built-in function, that is open function. By using open function, we can open our file. Next, I will explain file built-in methods. These are various file built-in methods. First one is read method, second one is read line method and third one is read lines method. By using these three methods, we can read text data, that is nothing but whatever the data that is present in text file, we can see the data in my Python terminal. For example, there is one text file. The text file name is file.txt. This is text file. This text file contains data, that is hello. Now I want to see this data in my Python terminal. In order to see this file data in your Python terminal, you can use read method or read line method or read lines method. By using write method, we can write text. For example, there is text file. The text file name is hello.txt. This is text file. Now I want to add text, how are you, into this file hello.txt. In order to add text into this file, you need to use write method. For example, my text file name is hello.txt. Now I want to add text, how are you, into my file hello.txt. In order to add any text into your file, you need to use write method. After performing all these operations, at last we need to close our file. By using close method, we can close our file. Next one is seek method. For example, my text file name is file.txt. This text file contains data, that is hello, hello. Whenever you open this file, your cursor will be at starting. H is present in index number 0, E in index number 1, L in index number 2 and L in index number 3 and O in index number 4. Whenever you open this file, at first your cursor will be at starting. By using tell method, we can find cursor position. My cursor is at starting, that is at index number 0. So you will get output 0. By using tell method, we can find cursor position. And next one is seek method. By using seek method, we can change cursor position. These are various file built-in methods. Guys, I will give some examples so that you can clearly understand what is use of this file modes, file built-in functions and file built-in methods. At first I will explain how to create a file. At first write a equal to, take open function. Inside open function you need to write, for example I want to create text file. The text file name is file.txt and I want to create that file in local disk D. So inside open function write in quotations, I want to create text file in local disk D. The text file name is file.txt, close quotations, comma, xmode. By using xmode, we can create new file. Whenever I run this line of code, it will create one text file. The text file name is file.txt in local disk D. Whenever I run this line of code, it will create one text file in local disk D. The text file name is file.txt. By using xmode, we can create new file. For example, if this file.txt is already present in local disk D, then it will display error. Only if file does not exist, then it will create file. But if file is already present, then it will display error. This open function takes two parameters, they are file name and mode. After performing this operation, we need to close our file. By using close method, we can close our file. My file is present in object A, so just write here a dot close. It will close my file. This is program in order to create a file. You can also create file by using append mode or write mode. I created one text file in local disk D with name file.txt. Now I want to add text hello into my file file.txt. So just write here a equal to open function. Inside open function, I want to open file. That file name is file.txt which is present in local disk D. So just write here d / file.txt, quotations close, comma. I want to add text hello. So you need to open this file in write mode. By using write mode, we can add text. So I open this file in write mode. My file is present in object A, so just write here a.write. By using write method, we can add text into our file. So inside write method, write text, that is hello. Whenever you run this line of code, it will add text hello into your file file.txt which is present in local disk D. After performing this operation, at last we need to close our file. We can close our file by using close method. And my file is present in object A, so just write here a.close. Where write and close are methods because we are including object name, that is a.write, a.close. So we call this write and close as methods. Where open is function because we will not include object before function, just a written open, that's it. Next I will explain what is difference between write method and append method. Both write method and append method are used to add text into our file, but difference is that, for example, this is my file name is file.txt and this file contains information hello. And next I am writing program by using write method. Just write here a equal to open. That file name is file.txt which is present in local disk D. So write here d / file.txt, quotations close, comma. For both write method and append method we use write mode. And next I want to add text how are you. So just write here a.write of how are you. Inside write method I written how are you and at last I written a.close. What this write method will do is, this write method will delete previous data which is present in my file and it will add new data. So whenever I write here a.write of how are you, my file contains hello. So it will delete this hello and it will add how are you into my file. Write mode will delete previous data which is present in my file and it will add new data. Now my file contains how are you. Same example, just in place of writing a.write, just write here a.append. Difference between write and append method is, where write method will delete previous data and it will add new data, and whereas by using append, it will not delete data which is present in my file. It will just add this text at last. So whenever you write here a.append of how are you, it will not delete this hello and at last it will add how are you. How are you. Next I will explain how to read a file. For example, my file name is file.txt which is present in local disk D and this file contains text, that is how are you. Now I want to print how are you on my output screen. Reading a file is nothing but whatever the data that is present in my text file, I need to print those data in my output screen. There are three ways to read data. First one is by using read method and next one by using readline method and last one by using readlines method. I will write program. At first write a equal to, where a is object, and take open function. Inside open function, write file name. My file is present in local disk D, so write here d colon slash file name is file.txt. Quotations close, comma. I want to read file. So you need to open this file in read mode. Don't use here write mode. If you want to read file, you need to use read mode. And if you want to add any text, then you need to use write mode. Here if you use write mode, it will display error. So don't use here write mode. Next write here print, because I want to print output. My file is present in object here, so just write here a.read. And at last we need to close our files. By using close method, we can close our file. Whenever you run this code, you will get output how are you, which is present in my file. So I will get output how are you. This is how we read a file. Reading is nothing but whatever the data that is present in my file, I am printing those data on my output screen. Read method is used to read complete data. So it will print complete data which is present in my file. So it will print complete how are you. For example, I want to print only how. I don't want to print are you, just I want to print how. Total there are 3 characters. In order to print only first 3 characters, then you can use readline method. Just in place of writing print a.read, just write here print a.readline of 3, because I want to read only first 3 characters, that is how. So just write here a.readline of 3. So whenever you run this code, you will get output how. Guys, in this text file, even space is also considered as single character. For example, I want to print how are. So h 1 character, 2, 3 and space 4 characters, 5, 6, 7. So whenever you write print a.readline of 7, you will get output how space are. Next I will explain what is use of read lines method. For example, my text file contains text, that is how are you, and in next line it contains my name is Sai. Just in place of writing print a.read, just write here print a.readlines, where readlines method will display output in the form of list, and my text file contains how are you and my name is Sai. So I will get output. Inside list it will print output, that is how are you, and in next line my name is Sai. So it will print output how are you /n, that is next line, comma my name is Sai in quotations. This is my output. For example, I don't want to print output in the form of list. I want to get output like how are you, and in next line it should print my name is Sai. You can achieve it by using for loop. Same program, just write here a equal to open. My file is present in local disk D with name file.txt. So take this in quotations, comma. I want to read file. So open this file in read mode. And next take for loop for x in a. My text file is present in object a. So just I written here for x in a, where x is variable name. Whatever the data that is present in my file, file.txt, all this data is transferred to variable x. Now this variable x contains how are you and my name is Sai. And whenever you write here print x, it will print output. So I'll get output how are you, and in next line it will print my name is Sai. Whenever you open any file, definitely we need to close that file. So definitely write here a.close. This is program in order to print output. Next I will explain how to delete a file. In order to delete any file, at first you need to import OS module. By using import keyword, you can import any module. This is program. At first write import OS, where OS stands for operating system. This is module. Next write OS, which is module name dot remove. By using remove function, you can remove any file. So just write an os dot remove. Inside brackets, you need to write file name. My file is present in local disk D with name file.txt. So just write here D /file.txt. Whenever you run this code, it will delete my file.